Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a sneak peek for Scrap Diva Designs August release. Thank you Erica for sending me these metal dies. You could find all of these metal dies at scrapdivadesigns.com starting August 5th and get a 10% discount using my discount code PRESERMIC10. Let's get started. So here's a sneak peek of some of the August 5th release for Scrap Diva Designs, and I can't wait to show you the reveal tomorrow, the full reveal and all the details of each project you see here. I'm just giving you a sneak peek of what it looks like, sort of. So I can't wait to show you the full reveal tomorrow. So let's start off with this one that's close to me. What could this be? It looks really big and it looks like it has a handle here, and then there's like this thing that moves, and then there's a part here. I wonder what this is. And all right, let's move on to the next one we have here. Let's move this aside. We have this one. This one is really cute. It looks like it has a paper clip here and a little flap here and a flap here. I wonder what this could be. It looks really interesting. And next up we have these ones here. So here you're seeing the journal page that came out like a few months ago probably. This journal page is really useful, and it's already out. And so here's a new sneak peek of one of the a journal tab. This is new, it's for August 5th, and this is just a sneak peek of one of, I believe there's like 6 designs. So I wonder what those other designs look like. It'll be so exciting to show you. They're like really neat. I've layered it with some like cold sheet paper. See how it like reflects and shows you like a holographic sheen to it, and it makes the tab super durable. And you can put like a label on top of here, and you can even put it on the other side. So yeah, so with on top of this page, this journal page, we have something here. There's 2 of them. Let's remove one of them. Wonder what this could be. It shows like a date and a name and a date out that I've written here. I'm just gonna be super excited once I show you all the details tomorrow. It's just so amazing, this release. I can't wait to show you tomorrow the whole entire thing, and also what's inside of these projects. And it'll just all go together into this like one book here. Well, most of the stuff except for the 3D projects. And so yeah, here's one of them. And this one here, it looks similar, and there looks like there's something inside this pocket. It's really cool. And then here we have another part of the August release. This project here is another one. Looks interesting. Wonder what it says. Full reveal tomorrow. Just like can't wait. All right, so that's that. And then here we have a book, and it says the journal, the actual binder that I made for that journal page that I showed you just now. This one. So there's like many pages in there. There's about like 6 flaps, which means there's like 12 pages. And yeah, so this is it. Like this is the journal. It says our stories travel. It must be like a traveling journal of some sort. Really cool. And I put some binding here, and here's that sneak peek. sneak peek inside here. You're gonna see some tabs in there. The new project share for tomorrow. I'll do a full reveal and all the details. It'll be so cool. And I believe that's like about half of the release for tomorrow's reveal, but I'll also do an unboxing video at the same time. So I'll have like 2 videos tomorrow. And so I've added these ceramic like half dots on here to like protect the page at the back when you put it onto the table. It's super pretty, and I'm planning to maybe decorate the side here, like cut out a piece of paper here and like glue it so it'll be like continuous. It's really cool. Sneak peek inside. I've like decorated it and all that stuff and put in like more new projects in there. So yeah, stay tuned tomorrow. And so here are some more of those words. So yeah, I'll reveal all of them tomorrow. And here are just a few I've done. So it gives you some idea of what this project share, this whole release looks like. And then we have another one here. This one is so cool. I think this one's so cool. Stay tuned. It's another 3D project, and all of the paper that I use, almost all the paper I use is from Mintay, and the collection is called Cottage Heart. It's really pretty. Here it is. Mintay Papers Cottage Heart. Except for the picnic basket, I use some of my own vintage papers. You saw in the beginning, the first project, that one I used my own papers because I just felt like that picnic basket needed like a vintagey like kind of pattern to it. So I've used my own paper, and so here's that semi reveal, full reveal tomorrow, and what's inside. Here's what it looks like all around. Really, really pretty. It's super duper cool and neat. Can't wait to show you tomorrow what it looks like and inside as well. And finally, we have these projects here, and then I'll show you it. I can't wait. Like, this is like so neat how they're all connected. And so here are some projects. There's like one project here that has 2 styles, and then another project here. It's peeking. So cute. All right, and then this is part of these 2. You can change it up with the bows. The bows are like super pretty. I just like, it's like really cool. And yeah, I'm planning to put these inside my traveling journal here, some sort of traveling journal. We'll see what it is. It's so cute. All right, thank you for watching my sneak peek, and I'll see you, I guess, tomorrow for the full review and also the unboxing video. Okay, thank you. Toodaloo. Bye-bye.